Hello friends, this is Adil. In today's video, I'm doing an unboxing of Taotronics Soundsurge 90 hybrid headphones. They have active noise cancelling technology which helps us to block any kind of noise. Also, it's available in just 199 Saudi Riyal, and you can find Amazon website link down below in the video description. Let's open this up and see what's inside the box. So let's go and explore. This is the Amazon website. Just find the Amazon link in the video description and place an order. Its complete information is mentioned on the website, and these are available in just 199 Saudi Riyal. This is the package I have received from Amazon and appreciated them for sending me this package. Let's grab a knife and open this package and see what's inside the box. Wow, I found a big box of headphones in white and orange branding from Taotronics. Let's remove the plastic wrapping and get this headphones box. It's Soundsurge 90 active noise cancelling wireless stereo headphones from Taotronics, and you can connect these from Bluetooth. Taotronics website URL has mentioned this side. Some detailed information is mentioned on the back of the box with the model number of TT-BS090. Also, Taotronics logo and its name is written on the top of the box. Let's open the box and see what's inside. Very interesting. They provided black case with plastic wrapping, black case with Taotronics logo, and this looks very neat and clean. Let's unzip this case and see what's inside. Oh wow, what a beautiful casing, and first look for these headphones are superb. We have plenty of things on the left side pocket. Let's get them one by one. The big packet which gets 2 cables and 1 support card inside it. Here we have both sided 3.5 mm stereo pin which you can connect with headphones. Here we have a USB-C charging cable which you can connect with any charging adapter. The support card is available which has some information, and also they provided its QR code. You can scan it with your smartphone and it will open Taotronics website link. Now we have user guide, and looks like it has complete guideline and tips about how to use these headphones. Let's see the Soundsurge 90 headphones, and in both of the ear cups they mention Taotronics logo on the silver color which looks so beautiful. Now on the bottom of the ear cups we have some controls. Its ear pads quality looks so clean. Also, its foldable design is so convenient and excellent. They provided little adjustment for these ear cups as you can see here. Also, it has soft ear cushions which look so soft and wonderful. These ear pads look so soft and comfortable. Also, they provided the option to rotate both the ear pads, which is very convenient. We have here volume up and down button, switch on button. It's a 3.5mm stereo jack pin, and finally we have USB-C charging pin. Also, you can use them wirelessly, and here you can put the 3.5mm stereo jack pin. When its light is blinking, you can connect these headphones with the smartphone. Let's connect these headphones with the smartphone. Connected successfully, and enjoy the active noise cancelling music option. Also, we have an adjustable headband on the sides of the headphones, and its level is pretty excellent. It can be fully charged in 45 minutes, and it gives you 35 hours of playback time. Let's enjoy the music with some cinematic effects. These Soundsurge 90 hybrid active noise cancelling headphones are just available in 199 Saudi Riyal, and I will provide its in-depth review in couple of days. Also, you can find Amazon website link down below in the video description. For any query, do ask me in the comment section. And if you are interested in laptop reviews, click on this playlist. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.